We'll guide you through how to run a benchmark test on your PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really interesting to go and do because you can go and see the performance of your computer. Perhaps you want to compare it to your friends, or you're just interested to go and see how it compares, and you can go and see how it compares to others as well. To do this, we do need to go and get an app and software, so make sure you watch this through. Open a web browser of your choice. Now you want to go and find a search engine and type in passmark, like so, and the site we're going to use is passmark.com. You can click on it. Here you can go and scroll down, and we're looking for performance test, so you can go and click here. Then what you can do is go over to the right and you can press free download, choose operating system, and then we'll go and choose this first one here, and you can go and press download. Go and wait for it to download. It shouldn't take too long. When it's finished, you can then come and close the web browser and go and open up your file explorer. Go to the left and find downloads, and here it is. Now you want to go and double click on it like so. You'll get a Windows security pop-up you need to agree to. Choose the language and press OK. Make sure you read this through. I already have, so I press I accept and press next. Press next and press next and press install. Now wait for this to complete. It shouldn't go and take too long. When it's finished, you can go and select launch performance test, then press finish. Now it's going to go and launch, as you can see here. Be patient, it shouldn't take too long. As you can see here, it says results be automatically uploaded, so that's fine, I'll press OK. Now what you can do at the top here is go and press run at benchmark, like so. Now it's going to run all tests. This may take several minutes. We can go and press OK, and now we can wait. Be patient while it completes, it will take a bit of time. Now we can go and see the overall passmark rating, and you can go and see the breakdown by CPU, graphics, memory, and disk. I can see I'm the 93rd percentile. That's it. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. You can now go and share these with your friend or do whatever you want. I look forward to help you again in the future. Goodbye for now.